Russian troops have been put on the defense in Luhansk as Ukrainian forces continue to advance, and Kyiv looks to retake occupied territory the Kremlin has held for months. Units are making slow advances on at least 2 axes east from the line of the Oskil and Siversky Donets rivers, where forces had consolidated following their previous advance earlier in the month, the UK Ministry of Defence said in its Wednesday intelligence update. Defense officials said Russian troops are now mounting a more substantive defense than previously as Ukrainian forces have pushed the front lines out of Kharkiv as they advance on Luhansk. Luhansk, located in the northern Donbas region, remains a chief priority in Russian President Vladimir Putin's war effort as he looks to illegally annex several regions across eastern and southern Ukraine. Russian proxies in Luhansk, Donetsk, Zaporizhia and Kherson wrapped up 5 days of voting Tuesday in a referendum that looks to garner support in seizing the 4 regions. Western officials in Kyiv have condemned the referenda as shams and warned the results would mimic steps Moscow took in Crimea when it reportedly falsified ballot results in favor of Russia's political aims in 2014. The Kremlin has warned that it will interpret any attack in the war-torn regions as an attack on Russia should the referenda results show support in joining the Russian Federation. Early tallying results released by Russian news outlets Tuesday allegedly showed that as many as 98% of voters support Russia's illegal annexation of Ukraine's territory. However, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has said he will not recognize the farce and that his troops will not stop until they have liberated all of Ukraine from Russian forces, including Crimea. Annexation is the kind of move that pits him alone against the whole of humanity, Zelensky said in reference to Putin. Russia's recognition of these sham referenda as allegedly normal implementation of the so-called Crimean scenario are another attempt to annex the territory of Ukraine, he said. Zelensky called for a clear signal from the international community to show that Russia's attempts to seize Ukrainian land will not be acknowledged and said harsher sanctions need to be enforced.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.